We have a crazy underground garage that definitely has moisture in the winter. So I am getting some moisture absorbers to make it smell fresher down there and to protect all the storage we have in the garage. I don't want anything getting musty over the winter. This is the Vacplus moisture absorbers. I love that it comes in a 6-pack, as we will definitely go through all these. And here's what you get in the box. They're all separately packaged. And this is what it looks like. These are really a simple concept, but they work so well. This is calcium chloride, and it will absorb the moisture in the air. And as it absorbs the moisture, these little crystals will basically liquefy and collect water down here. And you basically can keep using it until all the crystals are gone. And at that point, this will be filled up with all that excess moisture as well. So let's open this one up. Now peel this off. And then you just peel off this top foil layer. You do not want to peel off this cover. This actually protects any bugs or animals from getting into all the calcium chloride. It's a safety feature, so you want to leave that there. The moisture will go right through it. And you just put back on this little top and it is ready to go. Now this can be tucked in a corner out of sight, and it will make a huge difference. And I love that these are unscented, so they're going to pull the moisture out of my room, get rid of the musty smell, but they don't add some smell to my space. There are other ones that do add smells, including other varieties of this one. And if you prefer a smell, or your basement just has too much of a musty odor already, those are great options as well. And you're not limited to basements. You can use these wherever you have a moisture issue. They really work, and they are a fantastic option. The Vacplus moisture absorber, I'm really thrilled with it.